colleagues and my dear friends. Today, I'm here before you to say a few words on organ donation. Organ donation is a noble act that can give a real hope to another person's life who is suffering. One organ donor can save up to 8 lives. A huge gap exists between patients who require organ transplants and organ donors that are available. National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization celebrates the Indian Organ Donation Day every year to augment awareness about organ donation and to encourage the citizens of the country to donate organs after death, as well as to imbibe the value of organ donation in their lives. August 3rd, 2023 is being celebrated as the Indian Organ Donation Day to commemorate the first deceased organ donor transplant, which was also the first heart transplant done in the country. The specific objectives of this year's campaign are to reduce the demand for organ transplantation by promoting healthy lifestyle and wellness, to spread awareness about disease organ donation and control of illegal practices related to organ transplantation, and to pass myths and misconceptions related to organ donation and transplantation. Others can live when we agree to give. Let us be a symbol of hope for those who are suffering. Now, let us take the pledge regarding organ donation.
Get ready for the pledge. I pledge to donate my organs and tissues as could be used after my death to give new lease of life to those in need, keeping in view the shortage of organs and tissues for transplantation in our country. I also pledge that I will make all efforts to inspire my family, friends and fellow citizens to donate organs and tissues after death.